your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and today, of course, I'm back with some more Haitian Creole lessons. So let's start off with some simple stuff. I like to throw out big phrases that you've never heard. Let's talk about trash. How do you say trash in Haitian Creole? Can you tell me how to say trash in Haitian Creole? Fatra. The word for trash in Haitian Creole is fatra. So you could be like, al jete fatra. Al jete fatra. Fatra means garbage or trash. Or you could be like, ki la ou bal jete fatra. Ki la ou bal jete fatra. When are you going to throw out the trash? Ki le ou pral jete fatra. Fatra sa, ki le ou bal jetel. Fatra sa, ki le ou bal jetel. This trash, when are you going to throw it away? Fatra. See what I'm doing with the R? See what I'm doing with my mouth? It's not a fatra. It's not, don't roll the R. Do not roll the R. We are not speaking Spanish. This is Haitian Creole. Fatra. So in a Haitian household, you are most definitely going to hear this word. Shoje. Shoje. Alfubi shoje. That means go scrub the pots. Okay, in a Haitian household, you're always going to hear that word. Shoje. Shoje. Okay, moving on. Kie, fourchette, couteau, assiette. Kie means spoon, fourchette means fork, assiette means plate, and couteau means knife. Couteau, think about cutting. Couteau. Couteau means knife, fourchette means fork. Na kisa, na kies, kie. Kies means who. Kies means who. Kie means spoon. Bwe. Kisa wa bwe jodia. Kisa wa bwe jodia. What are you drinking today? Bwe. Bwe means drink. Frigidaire. Al ouvert frigidaire. Go open the frigidaire. Al ouvert frigidaire. 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 That's how we say fridge in Haitian Creole. Frigidaire. Al cheke frizer. Al cheke frizer. 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 An dan chambre nan, nou gen yon closet, epi nan closet la, nou gen rad. Rad. Look what I'm doing with the R. Rad. We have clothes. Clothes is how you say rad. So I think that's enough for the house for today. You guys need to come back to another video so I can teach you other words. So now you should be familiar with someone navigating through the home and knowing what you'll find in the house. We went over the shojes, we went over the cuisine, we went over... By the way, cuisine means kitchen. I don't think I told you that just yet. Cuisine means kitchen. Cuisine is kitchen, and bonne nuit means good night. Bye. It's your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and you know exactly where to find me.